I want to try and make some rainbow alcohol ink. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Tiffany. If it works, it's gonna be beautiful. This is what I've got going on so far. I have these 4 aurora powders. Let's see if you can kind of catch the different colors in the light. And I have isopropyl alcohol. And I have a container. So, let's see if we can make this happen. I figure what I'll do is put a little bit of each of these colors into this bottle, and then I will add the isopropyl alcohol. We'll mix it, and then we'll try it out. Actually, there we go. That first color was kind of it looks like a greenish color. Very shiny when it catches the light. This one looks to be more of a gold. And I'm not putting a huge amount, honestly, in there. This one looks to be more of a pink to maybe a light lavender in that area of color. Oh, this one's more the pink. So the other one it was more lavender. This one looks more pink. All right, there we go. See, there's really not a lot in the bottom. I think that'll be enough. I may be able to add more alcohol. Not sure yet. All right. Put the lid on. Put the cap on the lid. All right. And now it's time to try out this new rainbow alcohol ink that we just made. Shake it up real good. There we go. Now then, let's see. Let's try it a couple ways. Put a little bit of resin. UV resin is what I'm using right now. And we'll add there's 3 drops that came out. We can do one like this. Actually, We'll add these into it also. How's that? All right. And how about we do this on this one? We'll just put a couple drops. Turned out to be 3 again. Oops. And we'll let the alcohol ink evaporate a little. All right. Now I have just a little bit of black. Give it a back coat. And I didn't want to make it too opaque, too strong of a black, so I didn't want it to have difficulties curing. This will definitely give us a good idea on whether it works or not, right? And go figure, my table is level. However, I did not realize it at the time, but my little UV light, curing light, wasn't quite level when it cured this. So it has issues, but that's okay. This is just to see if the rainbow alcohol ink works. Okay. Looks like it's done curing. Here we go, guys. What do you think? I think my rainbow alcohol ink worked. Look at that. I came outside to get some actual sunlight. So do you think my new rainbow alcohol ink is a success or a failure? Leave a comment, let me know. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.